Good morning, everyone. It's 6:43. We just finished packing up. It's a beautiful morning. We're headed to Donner Pass today and then into Truckee for the night. What do you got?
Sorry. Alright, so we're gonna go 20.3 miles. Stop at the Donner Ski Ranch, junction. Try to get a ride from there, either a hitch or an Uber. We have 2,753 feet of ascent and 3,737 feet of descent. Easy day.
Sounds like a good day.
We passed by a hut. It's actually the first hut that you run into, or lodge, ski lodge, coming northbound on the PCT. We've shown you guys a few up in Oregon and Washington already, but they just wanted to make note that, if you were Nobo,
this would be your first one.
Your first one would be at mile 1161.9. So
yeah,
maybe we'll stop by and see it. Some people were saying that it was locked up, and others were saying it was open, so I don't know.
Who knows? We'll see when we get there. Is it a Blue Blaze?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's right on trail.
Cool. I hope so. Looks like it's right on.
Some privies there too, and
ooh.
Yeah.
Probably locked.
I don't think it's there.
All right, ready?
The day is breaking softly and the night is glowing true. I feel a million eyes, but I can just see you. No rain, no thunder, it's just your light, your voice, the heaven of our kiss, the wonder of our choice. So breathe, 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 darling, you can make my love your home, make my love your home. And please, 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 darling, do, if you can be right, make my love your home.
All right, guys. So we just saw our second bear on trail. It kind of spooked us because we came around the tree and there it was. Oh, wait. Here it is again. Let me show you. Pretty scary, right? All right, so we are happy to announce today to everyone that it is a very special day because we have made it 2,000 miles on the PCT.
What?
Pretty happy, pretty excited. I don't know how many miles we have left because of the reroutes and stuff, but still pretty happy.
Yes. Let's keep this train chugging.
The moon is rising somewhere in your eyes. Yes, this is real. My rain will wash your hands. Your fire came to heal. You are dance, the life we'll share, the life we came from shore. I'm shivering, sure I'm scared, but I'm all yours. So breathe, 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 darling, you can make my love your home, make my love your home. Breathe, please, please, darling, if you can be right below, make my love your home.
Alright, so we're in the Peter Grub hut. Stop by here, check it out for you guys. So a little history on the hut. Peter Grub, 1919 to 1937, was a mountaineer, climber, and skier. The building of this hut in 1938 to 1939 was inspired by Peter's grandmother, Matthew Hall McAllister, grandfather, not grandmother, who built Shasta Alpine Lodge at Horse Camp, Mount Shasta. Initial funding of the Peter Grub hut was made by Professor John Bird in the name of his son William, traveling companion of Peter at the time of his death. Maintenance, restoration, and expansion of this hut has been made by many dedicated Sierra Club volunteers. All right, so give you a little more backstory on Peter Grub. So I guess he kind of comes from a family of, we'll say, outdoorsmen. His great-great-grandfather like sailed around the Horn of Africa, I think it was Horn of Africa, and established this shipping company. His great-grandfather helped install cabling on Half Dome, and then so he grew up part of the Sierra Club and being outdoors and everything, and so he was doing a fast forward, he's like 18 years old, he's doing a bike trip, a cross-country bike trip in Europe with his friend. When he was in the Alps, he fell ill. They think to maybe meningitis, and when they rode down into Italy, he was obviously still ill, and he got off his bike and passed out and died from a heat stroke at 18 and a half years old. And so for his family, they wanted to commemorate him and everything, and they built the hut. And then there's a peak named after him as well, Peter's Peak. So there you go.
The color of your eye, the pattern on your shirt, the shape of your shadow, the rest just a blur. I try so hard to remember more. The sweetness of your breath, the joke you always told, the way you wore your hat when it got cold. Somehow I'm forgetting details of your face. Take a photograph so to not forget. When I'm looking back, I have no regret. But even then I will find something's lost to time.
All right, so we finished our, was it just a 20 today? 20 something today. So we're heading down to the Donner Ski ranch. Supposedly, we heard you get a free 40-ounce beer there. Leah's excited. We're gonna check that out and then try to make our way try to make our way into Truckee, where we have a room for this evening, and we'll resupply and
do laundry,
get a good night's rest.
is what we leave behind.
Well, let's explain.
All right, we got our 40-ounce beers.
Explain why.
You're better.
Okay, so they give the 40 ounces because it's Old 40 Highway, I guess. And so just with the place being on the
40.
On the 40.
On the 40, get a 40. Dun, 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 dun. Shit, my shadow. Oh, stupid shadow.
Alright, while we were speaking with Mr. Bear, he clued us into something. What?
What?
I was
What did he
gonna-
clue us into?